Hello friends, so once again welcome back on this YouTube channel. So today in this video we are going to hide Magisk Manager app so that we can run various banking apps like Google Pay apps, SBI banking app and many more. So this is Android 12 custom ROM running on Asus Max Pro M1 device, and I have installed my Geo app, but this app is not running because the device is already rooted with the Magisk Manager 23 version. So now we need to hide the Magisk Manager to run such kind of apps like Google Pay and many other apps like Axis Bank, ICICI Bank application also. So first of all, we need to select that particular app. Like I will select my Geo app and tap on the application icon and hold it to get an app info window. Here we need to force stop the app first, then tap on the storage and cache option and tap the cache option also, and also tap on the storage option to clear all the app data. Now we have to open the Magisk Manager app, then tap on this setting option at the corner. Now toggle on the Magisk hide option. Now we have one more option here, that is hide the Magisk app. Tap here and enter the name whatever you can. So the Magisk app will change the name and icon also to avoid detection from other apps, and this is how it will work. Now go back on home screen and tap on this shield option and tap on the Magisk hide. All the installed app will be populated here. So first select Google Play services and check all the boxes. Now select the desired app. Here I will select my Geo app and all the check boxes also for this app. So this is all. Now restart the device, wait for the boot up. Now we can see a new app with a new icon and the new name entered in Magisk and all the settings here. And let's check the my Geo application whether it is working or not. So we can see that my Geo app is running fine. So this is how we can hide the Magisk Manager in the new Android 12 custom ROM and the rooted devices. So this is a very quick and short video about hiding the Magisk Manager to avoid detection from various kind of banking apps. So thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, please like it, share it and subscribe the channel.